Peace, guys. Peace. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the video. Sending you some positive frequency and vibration. Take that, guys. Welcome to the video. Guys, today video is very special because I'm gonna answer a very interesting question that one of our viewer asked me. But before that, like I said that you can ask me any question, but don't send me these type of question that you are cute, भैया जी कैसे हो. Guys, ऐसे question please send मत करिए because those are very irrelevant. Irrelevant means useless. Guys, I know I'm cute, I know I'm very talented, I'm the greatest. Don't tell me something I know, tell me something I don't know. I think let's keep it real, guys. Let's keep it real. I think I'm sorry. I think you must have mean that. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that. Okay, guys. So this one very interesting question. Samir asked, "What advice would you give me? I'm going through a hard time. I saw my ex last night. It feels very sad." Saw her last night and is a mess. Sameer, my friend, wow, bro. तो आपको अपनी बंदी वापस चाहिए? Alright, so you saw your ex last night and now you're missing her a lot, guys. Sameer, I can understand that. We all have been through that. शायद हमारे साथ जितने भी लोग जुड़े हुए हैं इस वीडियो से, आई थिंक आप भी किसी न किसी टाइम हार्ट ब्रेक से, ब्रेकअप से, एक ऐसे फेज से आप गुजरे हुए हैं. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट टोटली. गाइज, आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव एनी स्ट्रेट आंसर टू योर मिसिंग हिम और मिसिंग हर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कि मैं इसका क्या आंसर दूँ गाइज. बट आई नो गाइज दैट मस्ट बी वेरी हार्ड. I feel that must be very hard and you must be really missing that person a lot. Like you craving, like होता है ना, crave कर रहे हो बहुत कि आ जाए, बात कर ले, थोड़ा blocking कर दिया. तो guys होता है. I can totally understand that. Guys, I would say that अगर कोई आपको कहता है कि guys तेरा breakup बहुत light है, मेरा breakup उससे तगड़ा था, मेरा breakup ऐसा था मेरा, guys that's all rubbish, that's all bullshit. तो guys हर पर्सन का ब्रेकअप उस पर्सन के लिए इज़ लाइक फर्स्ट ब्रेकअप और बहुत पेनफुल होता है. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. जब उस ब्रेकअप से गुजरता हाउ थिंग्स बिकेम वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर दिस पर्सन फॉर डेली एक्टिविटीज़ करना ही बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है गाइज. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम गुड थिंग अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंड गाइज. व्हाई दिस thing happened, and guys if you relate it to something that I'm gonna share with you guys, I think that I found that would be very relevant for you to understand why this everything happened and why you don't care about it anymore, and you should be thankful for that person because guys that is confrontation with reality. Confrontation with reality is guys that जो भी अभी आपके साथ उस पर्सन के साथ जितना भी आप सोच रहे थे, जितने भी आप सपने या जितने भी इमेजिनेशन कर रहे थे गाइज, वो सब एक ड्रीम था. एंड नाउ यू केम इन द रियलिटी अबाउट दैट पर्सन कि मैं उसे इतना केयरिंग समझ रही थी लेकिन वो इतना केयरिंग है नहीं. मैं उसे इतना इनोसेंट समझ रही थी बट ही इज़ नॉट दैट इनोसेंट. दैट गाइज दैट इज़ द कन्फ्रंटेशन ऑफ द रियलिटी. I was thinking that he never lied to me, but he lied to me. I was thinking that he will never cheat on me, but he or she is cheating on me. But guys, that is confrontation with reality. You should be thankful to him that he came forward and or this universe make that happen. Otherwise guys वो तब होता जब शायद guys आप उसको शायद मैरिज नहीं कर पाते गाइस। मैंने बहुत ऐसी स्टोरीज देखी हैं कि लोग अपनी नस काट देते हैं, दे कमिटेड सुसाइड और दे गेट इनटू डिप्रेशन, लाइक क्लिनिकल डिप्रेशन की दवाइयाँ चलती हैं जस्ट बिकॉज उनको पैनिक अटैक्स आ रहे हैं बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज़ नॉट टॉकिंग टू हिम और हर, दे स्क्रैचिंग देयर हैंड से or cutting their hairs because that person, they are craving for that person, like vampire crave for blood. So you became a vampire, man. That person made you a vampire. Crazy, man. That's crazy. But guys, that was the confrontation of the reality. That was this time that universe spiritually awakened you, gave you opportunity to be spiritually awakened. Guys, if you're seeing this video, I want to let you know that you are well much protected. You don't have to worry about anything. That love you are searching all around this corner, on that person, that thing, that guys, that love was always there inside you. Guys, there's a thing that trust is very much important in a relationship. Without trust is like a base of a relationship. If there is no trust, you are just having fun with each other, you are just playing games. Guys, trust होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I believe that guys, trust कभी कभी ये नहीं होता कि दूसरा पर्सन के ऊपर आप सब थोप दो कि वही पर्सन ट्रस्ट करेगा या वो ट्रस्ट उसने मेरा ट्रस्ट तोड़ा. Guys, that is nothing. Guys, sometimes there's a saying that everything in this universe is a reflection of ourself. What? Everything in this universe is a reflection of ourselves. तो गाइस, कभी कभी ये होता है कि मे बी जो ट्रस्ट आप उस बंदे में ढूंढ रहे थे, शायद that trust you have to first do at yourself. वो कैसे होगा गाइस? You should start caring about yourself. Trust yourself. कि गाइस, जो आप ट्रस्ट या जो आप एक्सपेक्टेशंस, जो आप प्यार ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो आपके अंदर ही है. I will give you example. Guys, when you go to a picture hall or you saw a movie, you get so inspired by watching some movies that some became very say that, oh, I have this talent after watching this. मैंने ये movie देखी, now I feel like I can draw anything, I can achieve anything. I'm भाग मिल्खा भाग. Oh, Fault in the Star, this is the perfect love story. I think that's the love I feel for my partner, that if I had something like this, he will still love. So guys, this is all, everything is rubbish. Yes guys, movies are just pictures and sounds. उन्होंने आपको क्रिएटिव या आपको लविंग नहीं बनाया. वो क्रिएटिविटी, वो कॉन्फिडेंस, वो मोटिवेशन आपके सब अंदर ही था. That got awakened. Alright, so guys, I will tell you one more thing, that most of the person like my friend Samir feeling like that is missing his ex because you're not caring about yourself, you're not thinking about yourself. किसी को आज के टाइम में फाउंडेशन या कंट्रोल होना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. दिस इज़ वन थिंग. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपसे उसको ये महसूस हुआ कि दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी टॉक्सिक, ही इज़ वेरी कंट्रोलिंग, मैं तो अपनी माँ की बाप की नहीं सुनती, या मैं अपने बाप के या माँ की नहीं सुनता, मैं इसकी इतनी कैसे सुन रहा हूँ, यू विल गेट ब्लॉक्ड. ऑलराइट. एंड गाइस, सेकंड इज कि expectations. अगर if a person is with you for some expectations कि यार तो guys, he will always take from you. He is always taking from you. कि he is asked like, तुम मेरे लिए ये करोगे तो I will feel loved. If you talk to me, I will feel loved. If you go out with me, I will feel loved. If you shopping कराओगे मुझे, I will feel loved. If you kiss me, if you get physical with me, I feel loved. Guys, वो एक्सपेक्टेशन के रिलेशनशिप में हो आप, वो लविंग रिलेशनशिप में नहीं हो आप. That's all expectations. एक्सपेक्टेशन. गाइस, कहाँ तक उसके इस बंदे की भूख पूरी करोगे, कहाँ तक उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन पूरी करोगे? Never guys, never. There will be a point when वो एक्सपेक्टेशन से वो चाहे कुछ भी कर दोगे ना, ही विल नेवर गेट हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. तो गाइस होगा क्या कि ही विल चीट ऑन यू, शी विल चीट ऑन यू, बिकॉज अब वो एक्सपेक्टेशन somebody is fulfilling, and that person is taking care of himself, he's eating healthy, he has a good career, he has a good social presence. Every post is getting like hundreds, 200 views. He's from MIT and now he's in Microsoft, something like that. You understand guys, social status. So guys, usse bada achievement, it's like trophy. So guys, that person is only looking for a person to fulfill his expectation and to have a trophy. So guys, ऐसे person के साथ will you be happy? Just tell me one thing, yes or no? Guys, we all want a person who make us feel loved, but guys, that love is always inside us. Why not we make us feel loved? We must give us a hug, guys. Give yourself a tight hug, because you are taking care of yourself. You are doing that yoga, you are taking this good ass air every 20 seconds. You're doing meditation, you're thinking good about yourself, you're doing I am chanting. What I am chanting is about saying I am are the most powerful words in this world. I am are the most powerful words in this whole universe. Start using I am chanting. I am grateful, I am happy, I'm rich, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I can achieve anything, I feel confident, I feel strong, I'm happy, I can achieve anything in this world. Everything happened for my own benefits. So guys, this type of chanting, you can Google it. There's a lot of theory and videos about this I am chanting that you can do each and every day. But what happened guys, जब हम उस स्टेज में होते, why we feel depressed, why we feel like यार इस ब्रेकअप के बाद सब तबाह हो गया, मेरी ज़िंदगी उजड़ सी गई. गाइस ऐसा क्यों होता है? हर किसी के साथ नहीं होता ऐसा. कुछ लोगों को आप देखना, वो ब्रेकअप के बाद बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाते हैं. लाइक कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था ब्रेकअप. यार ब्रेकअप के बाद तो वो और ज़्यादा ग्लोइंग हो गई उसकी स्किन, और ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करने लग गया, और ज़्यादा वो हैंडसम हो गया. आई थिंक वो बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो गया. गाइस नो, दैट्स ऑल a scenario that we all make up in our mind. Every breakup is painful हर पर्सन के लिए. लेकिन होता है कि एक पर्सन होता है जो चैंट करता है, आई एम वेरी लोनली, आई एम मिसिंग हर, प्लीज कम बैक बेबी, आई विल कट माई नस, आई विल जंप फ्रॉम दिस. तो गाइस ऐसा आप नेगेटिव चैंटिंग करके, गाइस दैट यूनिवर्स इज जस्ट what universe give you whatever you ask from him. If you asking like misery, it will give you misery. If you asking wealth and happiness, it will give you wealth and happiness. So guys, I will say Samir, start chanting that the universe give you far more superior person. And guys, I think guys, universe will definitely give you a person that you deserve, but you have to work on that. You have to start taking care of yourself. You starting that gym routine, or maybe aerobics or Zumba class that you are always planning to do. You start running that extra mile that you ever planned to do but you never did. And consistency make a person perfect. Consistency means guys, you're making your mind, your soul habitual for something. Consistency होना बहुत important है. And guys, when this happened, you don't need to expect anything from anybody. Became a self-fulfilling soul ki guys, you are giving everything to everyone. Nobody has to, like, you don't have to ask for anything, like for love, you don't have to beg for anything. Guys, I always say one thing: don't share your feelings and ideas with somebody that not gonna nourish it. If you're telling somebody your ideas and feeling who's not gonna nourish it, you're just wasting your time. He'll do like, acha, क्या, मैं तो 2 मिनट बाद भूल गया. तो guys, you are wasting your time. You need somebody to nourish you, to respect you, to care about you. You don't need somebody who just don't do anything, just listen to you then forget it. And sutta friend, guys, I hate sutta friends, but I like friends who don't talk about just careers and relationship, but they talk about dreams, feelings, problems and solutions. So guys, that's what I look for people, and I don't waste any more of my time with other people. And guys, there's one more thing, guys. There are two type of person in this world. One is consumer, one is producer. So who are you? Are you just consuming? Guys, I won't say that. I will say that you won't get the person you desire if you just consume. Because कोई भी बंदा आ जाए, आप सोचो कि यार आज तो मैं ना मेरे पास एप्स है ना मेरे पास पैसा है, तो आई विल कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद दिस गाइस. यू विल कॉम्प्रोमाइज एंड दैट पर्सन विल कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद योर फीलिंग्स. So guys, don't compromise with what type of person you want in your life. Don't compromise with what type of lifestyle you want with your life. Never compromise. Start working. Stand up and start working, guys. Don't just sit and relax. And guys, start producing. Producing is what I mean by producing it, guys. Every person, you also have a story that this world want to hear. Either it's in a form of art, either it will be a form of a dance, music, or just a vlog. Guys, everybody wants to consume. So be a producer. And guys, I guarantee you, there will be a time when somebody will see your content, see you, and he will realize that, yeah, I'm in love with this person, not in just with his looks, but I'm in love with his dance, music. I think guys, that will be a time when you don't have to ask for somebody to talk to you. He will spare a time every day, 1 hour, 2 hour, I don't know, man, but he will spare a time to talk to you each and every day. Guys, that type of person you need. You don't need hi bye friends. You need hi, is everything all right friend. Could say to you, if a stranger will say how are you, a friend or a loving person will say is everything all right. This is the difference, guys. Okay guys, so guys, don't think कि यार आज मुझे अपनी एक्स दिखी, आज मुझे अपने एक्स दिखा, आज मैंने उसकी पोस्ट देखी. गाइस, देख लिया. What I said in my videos, that you do what you do the best, they will do what they do the best. And if in future you guys meet, somehow this universe force you to meet again, that's a sign, means you are meant to be together. If you don't meet, then guys, you are never meant to be. And that was your confrontation with the reality. I hope you came into reality. And guys, like I'm telling you that, don't feel sad. Start feeling happy. Start feeling fortunate that you're alive. Guys, I think अगर आपकी अभी मैं सांस बंद कर दूँ 2 सेकंड के लिए, अगर आपको बोला कि सांस ना ले पाओ आप, वो एक्सेप्टेड है आपके लिए. नहीं रह पाओगे गाइस, 1 सेकंड भी आप बिना सांस के नहीं रह पाओगे. So guys, just be loving to that nature, that oxygen that you're breathing each and every second. You're getting me, guys? You'll feel loved. Love was always inside you, but you are just searching for it outside. It was always there. It was never there. They were just होता है कि sometime the loving person did something unwanted, unloved, and we feel depressed, we feel sad, we feel angry. I think it's not them, it's us. It's us who has to work on that small details. Why we are getting angry, why we are feeling so depressed. I think if you start asking the questions to yourself, you will get the answer. Guys, I won't take much of your time right now. I think you get the point. I think, guys, let's end it here, because when I start talking, I keep on, the thoughts are coming and I keep on lying. Okay, guys, nice talking to you all. Not all, but I answer few questions, so I hope that means a lot to you guys. Peace, guys. Take care.